Welcome to another thrilling ride on Drift Horizon, where we explore the most powerful, luxurious, and jaw-dropping machines on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-performance automotive extravagance with the 2026 Mansory lineup. Mansory has always been about pushing the limits of design, power, and exclusivity, turning already incredible supercars and SUVs into bespoke masterpieces. If you thought luxury had boundaries, Mansory is here to prove you wrong. Mansory's 2026 lineup takes customization to an entirely new level. Known for its aggressive styling, ultra-premium materials, and mind-blowing performance upgrades, Mansory continues to redefine automotive excess. Whether it's a Lamborghini, a Rolls-Royce, or a Mercedes-AMG, Mansory doesn't just modify cars, they reconstruct them into something beyond factory imagination. One of the highlights of 2026 is the Mansory take on the Lamborghini Revuelto. Lamborghini's plug-in hybrid V12 supercar was already a beast, but Mansory elevates it with a full carbon fiber body kit, wider stance, and aerodynamically optimized elements that make it even more menacing. The Revuelto by Mansory not only looks wilder but also packs an extra power boost, pushing its performance beyond expectations. Moving to the world of ultra-luxury, Mansory's take on the Rolls-Royce Spectre is a sight to behold. The Spectre, being Rolls-Royce's first fully electric car, was already a statement in automotive luxury. But Mansory takes it to a whole new level with custom-forged wheels, an even more opulent interior, and a powertrain tweak that enhances its electric performance. The result is a luxury grand tourer that stands as the ultimate fusion of elegance and aggression. For those who crave high-performance SUVs, the Mansory modified G-Wagon continues to reign supreme. The 2026 model receives an even bolder redesign with carbon fiber accents, a completely reworked exhaust system, and an insane horsepower upgrade that turns this off-road legend into a street-dominating monster. With its widened body, unique lighting elements, and handcrafted interior, this G-Wagon isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of dominance. Mansory is also pushing boundaries with their bespoke Bugatti Chiron creations. The Chiron, in its original form, is already one of the most powerful and exclusive hypercars ever built. But Mansory's version takes exclusivity to a different dimension with customized aerodynamic enhancements, lightweight materials, and an interior that feels like stepping into a private jet. And of course, the power output is dialed up, ensuring that this hypercar remains untouchable on the road. Customization is at the core of Mansory's philosophy. Clients can personalize nearly every aspect of their car, from paint finishes to unique interior themes featuring the finest leather, carbon fiber, and even gold accents. Mansory isn't just about tuning, it's about transforming a car into a unique work of art that reflects its owner's personality. The 2026 Mansory lineup also includes a revamped Aston Martin DBX, taking the luxury SUV into supercar territory with a power boost and an aggressive design overhaul. From the massive front grille to the aerodynamic rear spoiler, everything screams performance and exclusivity. Inside, expect nothing less than handcrafted perfection, making this DBX one of the most luxurious and fastest SUVs on the market. And let's not forget about the Ferrari SF90 Mansory Edition. Already an advanced hybrid supercar, Mansory enhances both its aesthetics and performance. The bodywork features aggressive styling cues, massive air intakes, and a unique aerodynamic package. The interior is reimagined with race-inspired luxury, blending technology with Mansory's signature craftsmanship. Performance figures are also improved, making this SF90 a track-ready beast that can still turn heads in Monaco or Dubai. One of the most exciting developments in Mansory's 2026 lineup is its growing presence in the electric hypercar scene. With more manufacturers transitioning to electric powertrains, Mansory is showing that customization and high performance aren't limited to combustion engines. The modified Tesla Model S Plaid by Mansory features a futuristic aerodynamic package, custom wheels, and a completely redesigned interior with exotic materials. The result is a luxury EV that stands out in both performance and exclusivity. Mansory's influence doesn't stop at supercars and hyper-luxury vehicles. The brand is expanding its expertise into luxury yachts and private jets, offering the same level of customization and exclusivity in the world of high-end transportation. Whether it's carbon fiber details, unique upholstery, or bespoke lighting elements, Mansory ensures that every creation is nothing short of extraordinary. With the 2026 lineup, Mansory continues to prove why it remains the king of luxury customization. Whether it's an over-the-top Lamborghini, an ultra-exclusive Rolls-Royce, or an electrified hypercar, every Mansory build represents the pinnacle of automotive excess and craftsmanship. These aren't just cars, they're rolling pieces of art designed for the elite few who demand the absolute best. If you love high-performance cars, extreme customization, and automotive luxury at its finest, make sure to subscribe to Drift Horizon. We bring you the most insane builds, the latest automotive news, and deep dives into the world of hypercars and supercars. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping content, and we'll see you in the next one.